Hello friends, during an interview with Mitchell Joy Phillips, Alexander Usyk's manager Alex Grasyuk, he said that Usyk's reaction to Tyson Fury victory against Deontay Wilder was that he was not impressed with his performance, his boxing performance, and he iterated the same fact that he personally feel that it was a great fight, but it was a fighting wise it was a great fight, but boxing wise, skill wise, it was not a good fight because that was a kind of a war where both of the guys wanted to take each other heads off, but they did not display superior boxing skills. They just went into a slugfest. So he responded to this question when he was asked that what does he think that Alexander Usyk beat Anthony Joshua, because Mitchell Joy Phillips asked Andre Ward, who is the former middleweight champion, and he responded that Alexander Usyk does not beat Tyson Fury because he's too skilled, he's too big, and he moved pretty well. But the same thing goes for Alexander Usyk. He comes from cruiserweight. He was the former unified cruiserweight champion, and he is only second in the history after Evander Holyfield to win a championship belt at both division. He so looking at that, he said Tyson Fury cannot win against Alexander Usyk if he comes in that shape, and by that he meant that because Tyson Fury came at 277 pounds, and he said that because Alexander Usyk moves really well, he knows his way around the octagon. He can punch really well, and he can fight all night because Alexander Usyk has been somebody who has won Olympic gold medal at the same Olympic where Anthony Joshua won the gold medal in the heavyweight. So Alexander Usyk is a very skilled fighter, and he has a good amateur background as well. So looking at that fact and the fact that in the fight between both three fight between Tyson Fury and Deontay Wilder, Deontay Wilder does not move around Tyson Fury too much. In last two fight, it was Tyson Fury chasing Deontay Wilder, and in first fight, Tyson Fury tried to box him, and he boxed him for 10 rounds before he was caught up by that slinger from Deontay Wilder. So looking at his comment, we can say that he's true because Alexander Usyk is a superior boxer, so is Tyson Fury, and definitely he cannot come in and walk in blindly at Tyson Fury, Alexander Usyk, and try to pressure him in an unintelligent way because Alexander Usyk can hit really hard, and he's a very slick boxer, and he moves very slick as well. So he can catch him and he can knock him out, and definitely he can get him tired. So Tyson Fury has to be at his peak performance in his primed shape and very well trained to beat Alexander Usyk. So thanks friends for watching the video, and please like and subscribe our channel.